going on, YouTube? It's your boy SOSA from Life and Guns. I'm gonna take you along with me to go shopping. And you know the best type of shopping is a gun shop. We're gonna go to a little pawn shop that I go to here a lot. It's very nice and local, and it has good deals. Enough talking, let's go in, let's see what we can find. See you guys inside. Question is going to be, what is the cheapest or most affordable gun that you think that you guys have right now?
Most affordable rifle.
We're going to go with pistol first, then rifle.
This is probably everybody's least favorite. I personally don't mind it.
Ah, the good old, the Yeet Cannon, aka the High Point. And our price is
$100.
Hey,
$100, you come and pick it up, I'll give you a discount on top of that, bro. So you'll walk out with for less than $100.
So, but now we want to ask, what is the most expensive pistol you have right now?
Let's see. Back to the new section. So that's probably gonna say the SIG. We got a couple good options here, but this is the 509 LS Edge. That's gonna be $13. Then we have the Shadow Systems DR920. That's gonna be around the same price.
We got a Shadow Systems. Everybody knows. Everybody likes the Shadow upgraded Glock.
And one of the most expensive is probably gonna be this one, the M17.
And we got the old M17 SIG. And pretty much you guys are praying for what you guys are gonna get.
You want something with a little bit more character? Then we got the TTI Combat. That's going for under $1,000 right now.
And the famous TTI Combat mechanic. You look for Rob, look for anybody that comes and helps you out. Definitely get a great discount.
Yeah, man. This right here is probably where it's at. To be honest, you get pretty much everything that you get with those and just this one right here, plus a compensator. So yeah, so you get the RMR cutout, like the Shadow Systems, you get the compensator, like the Shadow Systems as well, and flare mag, well, pretty much everything else that you need.
So out of all of these ones, which ones will be your preferred one?
Between these two, LS Edge and the TTI.
And this is your overall pick?
Overall pick, even though I'm a SIG fan, but I'm gonna have to go with this one and this one.
All right.
Besides that, I mean, if you ask me, I'm always choose a 5.7. Probably not this one, but the Ruger or the FN. But definitely a 5.7.
And what's the price for the 5.7?
This was actually pretty cheap, $720, brand new.
720 is not so bad, gentlemen. 720 is not bad.
Standard mag, RMR cutout, pretty much everything that you need. And the trigger on this is crazy. No take up.
That's crazy. Now the best part about it, we're gonna go right now. Rob's gonna show us the prices that he has for all the ammo. So Rob, go ahead, explain to us what you got.
Pretty much everything that you need, really. I got anything from 50 BMG, 300 Blackout, 50 AE, 500 Magnum, 44 Magnum 22s, 45 long cold 9mm, 5.7, anything you need. Pretty much every gauge of shotgun except for, you know, like the crazy shit, like the 10mm, 4 gauge, 10 gauge, and all that stuff. Besides that, we got 20 gauge, 12, 10, 410, anything you need, really.
That's awesome. Now, one of the main things that I know everybody's been asking me, how much are those 5.7s going for? Because I know they've been telling me that they're going $1 a bullet, $1 a round, and how much they going for right here?
$29.99.
For that, for you guys can see, one's one that 5.7 is $29.99 now, gentlemen, ladies.
Blue boxes for just $2 more.
And these are the little blue boxes, and that's $31.99. So you come on now, you can't beat that price. Cannot beat that price.
10 mil for going a little bit under that as well, for 25.
All right, you got the 10 mil.
That's 9 mil.
24.
$15, $16. Brass for
steel case.
Just tell me, man, how
So they got all the ammo you guys need now. Even the 50 BMG, if you guys got that, touch you later, see you later. $69.99. And that's for everybody whoever wants one good looking one.
Small hand cannons, not the rifles. $59.99 for 500 magnums. And then we got 50 AEs for $52.
Now what about the AK ammo? You guys have AK ammo?
So I got little bags, the 20 round bags, 20
Can't be $12 now.
40 round boxes for 20.
And then for the 40 rounds, 25. Come on now, you can't beat that.
If you got a good shipment, a big shipment, I might be able to sell you that big box for like $600-700.
Now you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? If you want that whole box, it is available. You guys gotta come down here. They always hook you up. The best part about this place is the layaway. The layaway is one of those things that most definitely need, especially if you got some children and got some bills to pay, got a whole mortgage. They offer you the layaway. They always help us out.